Okay, see question number 23. For x belongs to R, real number, x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 1. Why? Because 1 means 1 minus 1, 0 it is going to happen and it is going to become undefined. And x is not equal to 0 also they have given. Why? Because you have to start the function. Why? Because f of 0 they have given, f of 1 you have to keep. That is why x they have not given 0. Okay, that is also one logic is there. See, f0 of x, 1 by 1 minus x. Fn plus 1 of x is equal to f0 of fn of x. Okay, that logic you have to understand. N value they have given. N value 0, from 0 onwards you can take 0 to something, then you whole numbers you can say. They are asking f100 of 3, f1 of 2 by 3, f2 of 3 by 2, summation they are asking, addition. Okay, how to find like. Let us proceed then. See, first basically once again I will write this one. Why? Because that is required. f0 of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. Then first I want f1. Okay, f1 you want, f2 you want, f100 also you want. But f100 how we are going to get under we will see. First let us find f1. f1x is equal to f0 plus 1 shall I write? Why? Because see, f of n plus 1 x, but n you can take 0. That is why I have written f1 is equal to f0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 only, f1. What is this formula? See, here you are writing n. f0 of n. f0 of x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, but say any number you can write, but 0 plus 1 it should become like this, then only you can write, or else you are unable to write. Okay, see, that is equal to f0 of x is how much? 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x. Understand the logic? Okay, then proceed. That is equal to, see, this I am keeping one box. Why? Because see, these identities you have to keep separate. Okay, see, 1 minus x minus 1, 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. Shall I write like this again in numerator? See, plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled out. That is going to become, you see, this minus equation automatically x minus 1 by x. This minus I have sent, see, 1 cancelled, minus I have sent top, then minus x is going to become plus x, 1 is going to become minus. This also I can write like this, or else you can keep, or else you can write 1 by 1 minus x also, 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, this is what, this is equal to f of 1, f1 of x. Keep in your mind, this is very important. Okay, see, you require f1 of x. Because f0 of x you don't require, but to find f1 of x you require f0 of x. You require f2 of x also. Let us proceed then. Okay, see how I am writing. f2 of x is equal to, okay, see, fn 2 you require, but I will write 1 plus 1 x, that is equal to f0 of f1 of x, but f1 of x you are having here, f1 of x. Understand this logic? Okay, don't confuse here. What we have written, 2 we have replaced it with 1 plus 1, n plus 1, n we have taken 1. Okay, inside n we have to take, that is why I have taken n1, but plus 1 if you write automatically it is going to become 2. But here you here nothing is there, 0 is not there, even then f of 0 has come. That is why f0 of f1 of x we have to write. Let us proceed then. Let us proceed then. See, that is equal to f0 of f1 of x is how much? 1 minus 1 by x. Or else shall I write like this, x minus 1 by x. But what about f0? 1 by 1 minus x. That means see, 1 by 1 minus, in x place you have write this one. x minus 1 by x, that is equal to, see, x minus x plus 1 by x. This x I will send top. See, plus x minus x going to get cancelled out. Okay, and x by 1 means x is going to come. This x is what? This x is f2 of x. This you keep in your one box. That means see, you have got f1 of x, f2 of x also. But how you get f100? Naturally, f1 of 2 by 3 means here you have to keep, here 2 by 3 means here 1 minus 1 by 2 by 3 you are going to write, then you are going to get this answer. f2 of 3 by 2 means here 3 by 2 you are going to keep, here 3 by 2 is going to come. That is okay for this. But how you are going to get f100? Logic is there. First you find f3 of x. Then you can understand what logic is running or any repetition is there, or like you can understand. Okay, like that. f3 of x is how much? See, I will write, you see, f2 plus 1 of x, n plus 1. N I am writing strategically 2. Why? Because 2 I am having, f2. Understand? That is equal to f0 of f2 of x. That is equal to f0 of f2 of x means what? X. f0 of x has become again this one. Simple. f0 of x 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x. This is equal to, implies f0 of x is equal to f3 of x. Okay, now stop. Now repetition is going to happen. You see, f0 of x afterwards, f1 of x afterwards, f2 of x. These three are varying. Again f3 of x has to come, but f0 of x is coming. Again f1 of x will come, f2 of x will come. That means, see, what I want to say, after 0, 3 is repeating, after 3, 6 is repeating, after 6, 9 is repeating, it goes up to 99. That is why I want to say 0, 3 will not be there, again 0 is coming. That means 0, 0, or else I can say 0, 1, 2, afterwards 3 is coming, 3 means 0, 1. Like this up to 99. Why? Because see, this is table of 3. 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 33, 99. You require up to 100 only. That means what we can say? I will say like this, you see, f 99 of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. 99 of x, but not 100. Then go for 100. f 100 of x is equal to how much? Second one, f1x. f1 of x, that is equal to f1 of x is how much? f1 of x, f1 of x, f1 of x, 1 minus 1 by x. Understand now? Now, this is equal to f100 of x. Okay? I think this space is enough to finish here. I am writing now. See, f100 of 3 means what we are going to write? I am writing straight away. f100 of 3 means here 3 you are keeping. f100 of 3 is equal to, see, 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Okay? Then go for this one. f1 of 2 by 3. f1 of 2 by 3 also same. f1 same. 1 minus 1 by 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 3 will go here. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay? Then you go for f2 of 3 by 2. See, f2 means direct same will come. X. X means x will come. That means 3 by 2. Okay, then if you add these 3, what will come? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, you take 6 as LCM. 3 2 times goes 4 minus 2 3 times go 3, 2 3 times go 9. Okay, see, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 3, 10, 10 by 6. That means 5 by 3. 5 by 3 will be your answer. That means see, this is your answer. Okay. Now let us go for next question.